We're gonna get f***ed. So it's day 3 of our Faroe Island adventure, and we're meeting with our new Faroese friend Torik, and Ben and I are indulging in the dark art of kayaking. We're hooked up with Torik and some of his mates, and we're going kayaking to explore the coast. Stay tuned and see what we get up to. Right, we're here. Wherever here is, we kind of know how it's written, but can't pronounce it, so let's go and have a look. Nice old church. Hey man! So this is our vehicles for the day.
Yeah, one of them.
And who's joining us today?
2 other guys. Yeah. Both of them are pretty good kayakers, but not so much with caving.
Okay.
So yeah.
So this is one of your typical adventures, just bring a bunch of people and throw them in a cave.
Throw in a cave,
what could go wrong?
Exactly, what could go wrong.
Awesome. As I said, I can see how this place is written down, but I can't see it. So Torik, where are we?
We are in, I will say Eyði, but it is written down as Eiði.
Right.
But so, Eyði is the right one.
The Faroes is a small place with a small population, but even within that, they all have different dialects and different ways of saying things. So what is already complicated only gets more
complicated the longer you are here.
I've just accepted I'm not going to try and say these things correctly, because that would just be an insult to these people.
No, not at all.
So we've arrived down at the launch pad for today, and we've got the choice to go either that way or that way. And it's looking windy and it's looking cold, but we're waiting for one more guy, and then we're going to get started. These guys have got kayaking equipment optimized for sea cave exploration. This is wicked. Tell us about what you've got here, man.
So yeah, this is the kayak setup. Even though it's sunlight 24/7, but it's not sunlight where we're going.
Yeah. So we've got kayaks with headlights, and Torik's kayak is actually motorized as well. So
don't tell that.
Yeah. So he's cheating all day long. He's cheating.
Yeah, that's a cheater.
Right. Let's get our wetsuits on and get ready. Right, I'm a fish out of water in this fricking kayak. So we are getting ready to go. Dude! You're right. Cool caves. I want to be coastering here. Here we are, heading into a big old cave. Can't see jack shit.
This one has a whole place where you have a wall with. You can hear that song?
Right.
You hear that?
Spooky shit, man.
It sounds like an old music.
Good. cool, our first big cave. Don't know which way to turn now. I've got the classic Faroe sea stack of the giants over there. I've got what looks like a massive double entrance cave. Amazing. Wicked. Wow. Monster of a place. More than happy to go in there coast-steering, but maybe not on a kayak. I think I've seen a picture of this one before, and the two openings, it almost looks like a skull. Maybe I've seen too many heavy metal album covers. Hula. Here we go. Apparently it's a big one. Oh man, Uber hula.
See the color, how beautiful the colors are.
I love it. Yeah, all that. Yeah, it just. You would never think of putting those colours together.
Yeah, awesome.
Look at the discontinuity in the roof, man.
Yeah.
That's what it's all about. That's why it's here. It's just a big joint plane, isn't it? Wow, it's massive. Massive. This is savage. Like we already know, this place is home to some of the biggest sea caves in the world. And this is probably not even close to one of the biggest. Getting a bit swelly now, lad. Amazing. What was that? Let's look at where we are. This is bonkers, man. This is everything you expect from the Faroe Islands. We've got a giant cave, several 100-meter high cliffs, amazingly unlikely sea stacks, the giant and the witch. Look over there, absolute Mordor coastline. Amazing. So there's like a dry cave here called the Pigeon Cave. I won't attempt that in Faroese. I think it's through here. And we're trying to land in that corner. So I don't know whether knowing nothing about kayaking is a good thing or a bad thing. I might be ignorant enough just to go in there. Pretty exciting getting these kayaks into this cove here. Believe it or not, I was stupid enough to be first. Wave on! Go that way, go that way! We're gonna get... Turn it! Yeah. Okay, I'm coming. To me! Okay, let's go! You're alright? Turn it again, hold it, right? Let's go! Okay! An absolutely savage exit there for Eric, that was brutal. Guy got smashed up.
He's never going basic. You wanna go kayak? No, I'm never going with you again.
This is what happens when you go on adventures with Torik.
People get hurt.
Stuff gets broken. Right, all safely ashore. It's coffee time.
Yeah, well deserved.
Well earned coffee time. That was brilliant.
Ja, det kan vi også, ne?
Probably far beyond the realms of sensible, but there we go. So we're just at our little beach camp in front of the Pigeon Cave, which apparently goes all the way through the north end of Eysturoy, the island of Eysturoy. So we're going to check that out now. So we're making our way into the Pigeon Cave, and strangely enough, it's full of pigeons. And apparently, about a century ago or more, approximately, this used to be navigable. So a huge amount of rock has collapsed and then filled it since then. We don't know that for sure, but that's apparently what we've been told. So way ahead, actually, you can see daylight on the other side. So yeah, right, we've got some proper formations.
Yep. Cool that.
That is a proper cave on the Faroe Islands.
Proper speleothems.
Whoa. So they're translucent, so they let a little bit of light through.
Oh yeah.
Whoa, that's nice. Okay.
Amazing. Yeah, they really take the light, don't they? We're coming towards the other side, the west side. So we're on the west side of the island of Eysturoy. We've gone all the way through the North Headland. Look at that, what a scene. That absolutely iconic Faroese coastline framed by that cave entrance. We're not in Kansas anymore. The next part of the day, we're actually going to do a little cave survey. Ben is an accomplished cave surveyor. So there he goes, with his notepad and his compass and his laser measured whatever. We're going to give something back to the Faroese guys. This cave has not been properly surveyed, so that's what we're going to do. The Faroes have done some proper surveys of quite a few of the largest sea caves, but not this one. So these boys are used to exploring in comfort. We've just busted out the folk music whilst we're doing our cave survey, which is awesome. Ben has been surveying away busily, and we're almost done. We've come out to the original side we started at. There's our little camp down there. You see a couple of kayaks. Look at that for a scene. Amazing. Right, the cave survey is done. We've packed up camp and we're about to leave, but now the tide has dropped. This area is looking really quite bad for launching a kayak. I mean, look at that. Horrible. What could possibly go wrong? Yeah. Go. Easy, man. Yeah, that was. Oh, that was exciting. Right, we're all out. Torik lost a little bit of equipment for his motorised kayak, poor guy. But we are largely unharmed. So now back to the beach. There you go. Back along this amazing bit of coastline. Caves everywhere. Look at that. We've kayaked this coast. We've had a bit of a look at some caves, but what we've realised is it's potentially a fantastic area of some coast steering. So very likely we're going to return here as soon as possible and properly explore it. Wicked day though. We had a look in that awesome Eysturoy cave, the Pigeon Cave, and we even did a survey for these guys. So wonderful stuff. So let's head into shore and call it a good one. Gonna do my best not to crash into Torik here. What do you think of that, man?
Oh, dude, like I don't even know what to say. That was just wicked.
That was a good day, wasn't it? Yeah. I mean, you come to the Faroes, and it's always nice to do something a bit more adventurous. That's how we think, anyway. Like, rather than just wander around taking pictures, we've actually got properly stuck in, explored the landscape, and seen some stuff that very few people, even from the Faroes, have seen. So
very true, man.
Wicked.
And look, when we look in that direction over there,
yeah,
like the next stop is the North Pole. That's where we are, ladies.
Yeah.
What are we doing here? The northern tip.
Yeah, right.
Of the coast-steerable world. I mean, you have to be in Antarctica.
Say, don't challenge me, dude.
Arctic coast steering.
Oh, don't say I haven't thought about it. That's a story for another video, probably in the fantastical future.
But dude, what's the plan then next? What are we going to do next?
Well, I don't know what we're going to do for the rest of the day, but I think we are probably decided we're going to come back here in the next day or so and put this to bed coast steering wise, and hopefully get Torik in here with us.
Wicked.
So,
folks, we've unlocked that coastline.
Right, stay tuned.